Former President Pranab Mukherjee passes away on Monday at a Defence Referral and Research Hospital in New Delhi. He was admitted in Defence R&R Hospital for COVID-19 treatment 2 weeks back. The hospital doctors done an operation to Pranab Mukherjee to remove a clot in the head. After doing the operation, Pranab Mukherjee was in coma and he was undergoing treatment in ICU till today. Pranab Mukherjee was survived with one daughter and 2 sons. He was honored with Padma Vibhushan in 2008 and Bharat Ratna in 2019. Pranab Mukherjee was born on 11th December 1935 in Marathi, Bengal Presidency, British India, now present it called as West Bengal. Pranab Mukherjee was very close loyalist and aide to late Prime Minister Srimati Indira Gandhi. Srimati Indira Gandhi nominated Pranab Mukherjee for the first to Rajya Sabha in 1969. And he also nominated 3 more times in 1975, 1981 and 1987. He became one of Gandhi's most trusted lieutenants and a minister in her cabinet in 1973. During the controversial internal emergency of 1975 to 1977, he was accused of committing gross excesses. Mukherjee's service in a number of ministerial capacities culminated in his first stint as Finance Minister of India in 1982 to 84. He was also the leader of the House in Rajya Sabha from 1980 to 1985.
Pranab Mukherjee attended the Suri Vidyasagar College in Suri and then affiliated to University of Calcutta. He subsequently earned an MA degree in Political Science and History and an LLB degree, both from University of Calcutta. He subsequently earned an MA degree in Political Science and History and an LLB degree, both from the University of Calcutta, and he also worked as a journalist with the Desher Dek Call of Motherland before entering politics. Pranab Mukherjee was married Surva Devi in 1957. Mukherjee was sidelined from the Congress during the premiership of Rajiv Gandhi. Mukherjee had viewed himself and not the inexperienced Rajiv as the rightful successor to Indira following her assassination in 1984. Mukherjee lost out in the ensuing power struggle. He formed his own party, the Rashtriya Samajwadi Congress, which merged with the Congress in 1989 after reaching a consensus with Rajiv Gandhi. After Rajiv Gandhi's assassination in 1991, Mukherjee's political career revived when Prime Minister P.V. Narasimha Rao appointed him Planning Commission head in 1991 and Foreign Minister in 1995. Following this, as elder statesman of the Congress, Mukherjee was the principal and architect of Sonia Gandhi's ascension to the party's presidency in 1998. He was the first Congress president who participated in the RSS convention in 2018 at Nagpur.